Greetings. So I'm up in Kansas City visiting my youngest daughter, who's out adulting and living on her own. And so one way that you can still show love for them and maintain a little bit of your hero status that you've built up raising them is to do things for them when you go to see them. And so I came up here to visit her, and her toilet was constantly running, and so the fill valve was bad. And so what I've done, I've removed the old fill valve. It's a Flush Master, Fluid Master 300 version. But really, to remove that, all you need is a sponge, a towel, adjustable wrench, and that's about it. And so what you do, I just imagine that this valve is still connected to the toilet. The toilet ceramic piece will be sitting right here, and then this nut is screwed up on to hold it tight. And so there's a little washer here to keep the water in. And then on the bottom, that's where your water hose is connected coming from the wall. So if you look here, we've turned off the water, disconnected this water fill line, removed the flush valve that I was just showing from that hole. And then what we're going to do is just work backwards and reinstall a new one, about $9 from Lowe's from a military discount. So for $9, I don't know, it'd probably cost $100 to call a plumber for her up here. So for $9, I'm again a hero, and I'm loving on my daughter. So really, DIY repair and showing your children love, just doing things for them is what works for me mostly.